Hello everyone, welcome to I Must Gate Academy. Here is an update from UPSC. Yes, so when you will go to the official website of UPSC, here you can see in the what's new press release. Okay, engineering service prelims examination 25. When you will click here, you can see the latest update from the 18th October, means today only. So they mention here, if I will just zoom it, so you can see here, with the last date of receipt application as 8th October. Earlier they mentioned here was issued on the 18th September with the last date of receipt of application as 8th October. Now meanwhile the government has decided the recruitment to the IRMS will be made both through the civil service examination and ESC. Okay, ESC for civil, electrical, mechanical, signal, telecommunication and store subject. Okay, so the Ministry of Railway has also notified Indian Railway Management Services Rules 24 on the 9th October. Okay, so now what is the new update? The new update is here. Now they mention thereafter a correction. This is so now the commission has decided to open new application window from 18th October to the 22nd November. This will be the new application window. I will come to this detail also. Here you can see. Okay, exactly you can see. So they are talking about the earlier the original window was 18th September to 8th October. Okay, original correction window was earlier, means the older one, 9th October to 15th October. Now the new notification which is added today, 18th October. So new application window has been started from today itself, 18th October to 22nd November, and revised correction window will be 23rd November to 29th November. As they change the date of ESC prelims also, I will come to that point. Just hold on. Okay. So this is the thing. And if I will come to, they mention some more details. You can check these details. And here the following shall be inserted in the list of participating. Which one? Civil engineering IRMS is added. Okay, earlier not added. Now they newly added IRMS in civil, IRMS stores civil engineering, mechanical engineering also IRMS added, electrical also IRMS added, stores and electrical. So these will be the new participating, okay, organization. So they mention this thing, and other than this, okay, they mention this detail, and here also they mention how to fill the form. They mention pay by cash. Okay, mode option will be deactivated as on the 21st. So last date for filling form is 22nd. Last date for filling for paying is 21st November. All right, and okay, clear? Yes, and I am coming to the date of examination here. Here they mention the date of examination also. This is the press release. All right. So I can see who have already applied during the application window during the 18th September to 8th October. There is no need to apply again. They clearly mention. Okay. So if you still not applied, then there is an option for you to apply from 18th October to 22nd November. Okay. And now the very important thing, in order to give sufficient time to the aspirants of ESC 2025 to prepare for the examination, the commission has also decided to postpone the ESC prelims and ESC main exam 25. The ESC prelims exam and mains will now be held on the 8th June 2025. So pre-exam will be there on the 8th June and mains will be on the 10th August 2025 respectively. So they released this notification on the official website, and here also this is the detail about how to fill the form, what is the duration, okay, when to submit the fees. Okay, everything they mention here, you can check it out, this detail, which they included IRMS also in this one. So this is the new notice which released today only, dear students. So if you are looking for ESC 2025 exam, so new dates are 8th June for prelims, and for the mains this is 10th August. Okay, and now you can fill the form from 18th October to the 22nd November. So check it out, the official detail on the official website of UPSC only. Stay connected to I Must Gate Academy YouTube channel. Thank you.